Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confidence. Super exciting day. All right, we are almost in the profit for the Ethereum trade on our last call. But if you guys came out here and you traded with me on the last Ethereum video, we actually, like a ton of us, got picked up at $4,000. Okay, so right now a lot of us are sitting in the profit. Let me pull out a different price tool here. I'm like super excited about this trade because this is one that I was just really excited for you guys to get into. Again, like I've been saying on this channel, this is not time to be selling, it's time to be buying. So we're all currently sitting up, including myself, 8.06% on that long trade. Now, I'm not going to count that as a win because I only count the wins on this channel based off what we sequentially the next trade that comes out. So after we win this Ethereum trade, the next trade that comes out, I can add that to the win rate. We are currently 84 for 84 wins that I've shown you guys transparently on YouTube. Yes, I have people messaging, they're like, Travis, you know you're like far more than 84 for 84 wins. Yes, I know. And this is one way to prove it because I told you guys to get in down here. A lot of us are in at $4,000. So that'll be a win. And then this will be a win at the same time because I'm not exiting this trade down here until I exit this trade in the profit. So I told you guys, if you follow my channel here, you guys are going to be able to get into some really good entries and we are not losing trades. The ones that have been called on YouTube, we are seriously, honest to God, guys, we are 84 for 84 wins and we have not lost a trade here. And these aren't small little wins we're taking. Like that's already 8%. Once this pushes up into the profit, which I'm looking for us to get somewhere around here, this will probably be around like, what would that be, like 15? Yeah, I was gonna say like 13 to 14% profit for that trade. And then we're also gonna win this one. I'll only count it as one win because I only keep track of the ones I've called out here and shown you guys on YouTube to just keep everything transparent so no one can argue with the win rate. So let's dive in here. In the second half of the video, I'll show you guys how to get into all of our trades so you never have to miss another trade setup so you guys can start winning trades with us. Here's the account to show you guys proof of this. Let me refresh this here. Hopefully it doesn't log me out here. Cool. We're logged in. We're good to go. So this is currently where we're at. You can see the withdrawals I'm in here. Coinbase is a very good place to trade. I've done plenty of withdrawals. Hope you guys can trust it. I trust it plenty fine. Okay. We are going to see, as this market starts moving up, we're going to start seeing more of our trades get into the profit, obviously, and we're going to start calling exits. So we're probably going to go 85 for 85 this week. Let's go over the analysis here. Looking at this move over the weekend, how was I able to predict this move back up? Because I did some videos on Friday giving us like a 10 coin roundup. And overall, I was mentioning to you guys, this is most likely going to be a bullish weekend. And that's exactly what we saw. Here's how you guys can predict the market yourself for any of your cryptos, any of your stocks, any of your Forex as well. I'm using the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow. You guys want these indicators. The Cyber Monday sell is ending in 48 hours. That's all you guys have left. These indicators are going to go up in price. So snag them today, okay? Why am I so adamant about talking about this and I show you every single time on the video? Is because when the trend exhaustion pushes down to the bottom red section and we also have the well money flow pushing down here, I'm not going to show you guys what happened here. Obviously you know, but as you come back into the past here and you simply look at the past times of what's happened here, this is literally telling us that the market does not want to go down any further and it's wanting to push back up into higher moves. What we saw over here was the market could not go any further down and we started to see this nice pump move back up. It happened again pushing down to the bottom red section here. If you guys were watching this on the candle wicks, this actually did touch the bottom red section. Once the candle closed, it moved up a little bit higher. But this was showing us that we were overextended in the market moving down while the well money flow, which is in green and the price is in pink here, the flow of money was creating a low and a higher low, showing us that money was flowing into the market. And the trend exhaustion was saying, guys, we don't want to head down any further. We want to go up. A perfect precursor to a pump back up in Ethereum. Look what happened over here this weekend. We saw this move back down, obviously in the market, and then we got to the bottom red section here. We could not head any lower, and we saw the pump. This is how I was able to call this pump for this weekend, and why I was confident that we were going to see more of a move up than a move back down. All right, let's take a bigger scope view here. That's why you guys want those indicators. They're so powerful. Yes, we were able to call this drop in the market over here. How do we do this? Very simply, I'll do this fast. When the trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section, when the well money flow is high, we do not FOMO into these prices. We wait, and this is where we ended up getting the drop back down. This is the great place right here to look for exits in the market because right here we could not head up any further, and we dropped back down, pushed up in the top red section. Guys, look, every single one of these drops that you guys are seeing, all the major ones, we've been able to call over here. Like even this drop over here, we were able to call with the push of the top red exhaustion. top section of the trend exhaustion, calling this move back down here as well. It even called this move here, here, over here, and even over here on this move back down. You guys can see top red zone, top red zone, top red zone, top red zone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. We can even arguably call this a 10th time where we saw this drop back down here. 10 times in a row. So now that you guys see the ridiculous accuracy of these indicators, now come over here and look at this. Where are we currently sitting? We are sitting in this area where we are getting very close to the top red section again, and the well money flow is getting higher as well, which could push us back down. So I know we are very close to getting into the profit here, but I am not going to be concerned whatsoever if this starts moving back down here. I do actually think in order for us to see a very nice pump back up, we are going to need to see a move back down and then maybe a move back up again, okay? Let's get a broader view here, and I'm going to go over the metrics after this and show you guys how to get into our next trade so you don't miss those. Look at the third touch, the quote-unquote third touch of this ascending support line. 1, 2, I'm accumulating these as 2 and looking for maybe a third touch here. It is right around where our second buy limit is. Now, you guys entering into the market, these are not your buy limits. You need to set up the new buy limits that are in the market, because if you wait for this to get triggered down here, you may never get into a trade. This is not the best place either. Like, get into the new buy limits that I'm going to show you guys, because if you don't get into those, it's going to mess things up. Just follow this video. I'll show you everything how to do this. What I'm watching for is a possible move down back to about $3,700 to $3,800. And if that happens, I do think the trend exhaustion will push back down here and give us another pump. It's exactly what we did, guys. We waited for this move back down. I saw this. I said, nope, we're not going to FOMO in. We waited for the drop back down, got in at $4,000. Those of you guys who followed the last video. And now we're currently up about 8%. And if this thing gets in the profit, we'll be up 10, 12+% on that trade. Again, I'm only going to call this as a win because I want to keep things transparent here. Okay, let's go over the metrics here. Actually, here we go. You guys want to see some profits here? I switched this up a little bit so you guys can see some different ones in the top here. This guy ended up doing $1,700 with our metrics and our indicators. He's like, for the first time, I'm trading without fear or anxiousness, feeling safe, getting out and jumping back into trades with surgical precision. This guy down here, I didn't even really realize we had this testimonial because it was really small. My portfolio, although not large, is up about 50% in 6 weeks. 25 for 20. Do you guys see it? 25 for 25 winning trades using this system. All longs, no leverage. I'm a huge fan. Guys, I don't use leverage. This guy down here does $20,000 just using our trend exhaustion and our price versus well money flow. Hint, hint, by the way, they're on Cyber Monday sale. You guys have 48 hours left to snag those indicators, and I will be upping the price of that. And I'll show you that in a second. Let's go over the metrics here for Ethereum. Guys, we shot up into the excited area. We didn't get to greedy, but we got very close to the excited area. And what happened here is we shot up here, although I haven't even looked at this metric, honestly, but the Wells institutions most likely shorted everybody out here. Yeah, watch this. If you guys literally want to stay on the right side of the market, look at this. All retail traders getting really excited in the market that this thing is going to head up and they're pushing up into the excited area. You come straight down here. What the Wells institutions did, the smart money, is they just shorted everybody on this pump move up here and they dropped the price back down. And then what they did is they saw the drop back down, they came in here and they put long trades in the market, and then we shot back up. Guys, Wells and institutions know how to trade the market. They move the market. This is how we are trading. I trade exactly alongside of them because I literally coded this metric. If I coded it, I know how to trade it. So that is why we literally got in at the bottom here, because I saw Wells shorting up here. The smart money was looking to go short. They dropped the price. We set up our buy limits, and now we're in the profit again here. So coming over here, I'll get back down to that metric, but I want to keep going down here. We are currently sitting around this neutral section, maybe even close to this anxiousness. So watch it today because this was updated yesterday. They're all going to update all of our metrics as well as all of our buy limits updated 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every day, weekends, holidays, every single day, okay? Long versus short trades in the market here. Well, short trades have been kind of leveling out here. Long trades haven't been doing too much. Actually, the long trades have been arguably moving down a little bit. So this isn't like, a super confidence in the market that we're going to just keep heading up here. So I think people are still leery, like, are we just going to move back down here? I do think it is possible to move back down to 3,800. So I'm just calling that out to you guys, but I'm not nervous about this whatsoever. I'm going to hold this trade and exit the 4,000 trade once we're in the profit here above this 43.50, which is what a lot of people are in for that trade, okay? By the way, on this trade here, a lot of people, we ended up actually taking profit up here just right at this area, and we had a stop loss. This stop loss at the break-even entry went off while I was asleep, so I couldn't even do anything there because I was waiting for the trade to exit. I woke up and then got into the next buy buy limit. So very important that you guys just keep following the buy limits of the new best trade to take, okay? Coming down here, looking at good long trades and great long trades, we're not sitting up in the short trade territory. I do still believe this is an incredible market. Look at this. This is the third touch right here that I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3 touch right here, as well as this channel move that we see. This could be pushing us back up here. The metrics showing us good long trades. Again, you guys see this in the market here. What they're doing is they're accumulating long trades. That's exactly what we did down here, and we're riding it back up. These metrics, you guys get access to all of them with our membership. Don't miss that, and I'll show you guys that in a second. Looking at this place where we could be heading back up, it is 4,867. So 4,867 puts us at this structure high here. This is a place where I do think it is possible for us to move up here before the end of the year, which is what's been called the last bull market run of the year, which what I've been calling out here. Watch the Bitcoin video because I proved to you guys 3 times in a row here where we've actually seen price structure for Bitcoin decrease and long trades increase, and this has led to a pump every single time. Price structure decreasing, long trades entering into the market, buying the demand of a lower price. Price structure increase, price structure decreasing, long trades doing what? Entering into the market. This is why I do think we could see a pump before the end of the year. So make sure you guys are watching the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, and all these metrics over here so you guys can understand what's happening in the market. Showing you guys great places to enter into dollar cost average entries if you guys are diamond hand holders. Great spot that went off. You guys are all in the profit down here that you guys ended up taking here. So great job. Literally, if you guys want to come in and you have like $10,000, you want to throw $1,000 into each green line here and hold for 10 to 20 years. Great long-term holding strategy right here. This is the metric you guys want to use. Exit points for long trades came out right here. All I'm waiting for is just another move back up in the market, looking for this, exit here for Ethereum. Most likely that's going to push us into the profit, and I'll be looking for an exit. Very simple strategy, guys, but make sure you're following me over here. Okay, let's get into the part of the video where you guys actually start making profits and you start trading with us and becoming confident and winning trades, okay? The membership is so ridiculously cheap. Yes, we are going to be upping this. You guys will be grandfathered in, however. So all of you guys who get in at $49 a month, if this goes to $100, $200, $300, we are going to grandfather you guys in and we'll keep you at $49 a month as long as you hold your membership, okay? This will give you access to all of the metrics I just showed you for Ethereum for all of our top 10 coins. This is where you guys want to come though. It's for the live trade section, and this is where we've won all of our trades. Every single one of our 84 wins have all been called out directly on this one single page right here on our website. And I'm about to call wins on about 2 to 3 different coins this week because we're almost in the profit. One of those being Matic, one of them being, I think, a Solana, and then Ethereum, obviously, we're going over today. Here's all of our coins. We're obviously talking about Ethereum, so you guys want to click into Ethereum right here, but click into these different coins and set up your buy limits. I do think we could see another bull run before the end of the year, so this is what you guys want to do. We're going to use Bitcoin for an example. They all update all these charts at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every day. Let's dive in here. Let's make you guys some money. What you guys are going to do, non-financial advice, by the way, it's just personal opinions. You guys want to set up buy limits at the 4 yellow lines. This is the simplest chart you'll ever read. Here's buy limit 1. Here's buy limit 2, buy limit 3, buy limit 4. And if you don't know the prices, they're in extremely bright yellow paint over here, okay? The sell limit is in green. You're going to simply take the trade allotment that you want to trade Bitcoin for Ethereum, Dogecoin, 88, all of our coins. Take the amount of money you want to trade with that coin and then split it into 4 equal sections, 25%, okay? $1,000 would be $250 at each level. If you got $10,000, that's $2,500 at each level. If you have $50,000 like myself, what I do is I split it into 3 to 4 different coins, and then let's say you have, let's make this easy, $40,000, 4 different coins, that's $10,000 each. At each buy limit would be what? 10,000 divided by 4, 25% is $2,500. $2,500 would go to each buy limit. Once your first buy limit is hit in here, you guys want to hold all your buy limits where they're at. Don't change them. Set up your sell limit once your first buy limit gets hit, and then you guys want to follow me in the Telegram channel. This metric right here updates every single day. So this is currently updated for 11/28. Literally in 52 minutes here, this is going to update and show you guys the new buy limits. And yes, some of them have, a lot of our buy limits have changed because of the structures that happened over this weekend. So make sure you guys are set. If you guys use these, you don't want to use that because we've actually moved up in price, and I'm going to get you guys in closer to the entry so we can get more. We're going to get into the trade faster, actually, for Bitcoin. Once you guys have that set up, you want to come over here and you want to set up yourself in the Telegram channel. Set Telegram up on your phone or your computer first. buy our membership, $49 a month, and then come over here and click this link right here, and it will take you to another page on our channel where you guys will actually get a hot link, and it will join you guys into the Telegram channel where I'm calling all the exits here with our indicators, okay? Now, here's the funnest part of this video here, possibly for you guys, is the indicators. You guys have wanted to know about the Cyber Monday sale and the Black Friday sale. Everything ends in 48 hours, okay? The exact date here is at the end of this month, the sale ends. I'm going to wake up actually, I'm sorry, it's not Monday morning. It'd be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Wednesday, December 1st, whatever day Wednesday is. I think it's Wednesday. December 1st, I'm going to wake up. I'm going to do videos for you guys on YouTube here, answer a few emails, and I'm going to immediately up the price of the bundle pack, as well as possibly looking to up the price of these indicators by the end of the year. So I haven't fully decided on that, but what I'm confident about is you guys will be able to get this 83% off from now for the next 48 hours. And this will be going up $50 on December 1st. I will not change this. You have my word. You guys will see the price increase, and this will go away here. It will still have a good discount on the bundle pack if you want to snag it, but you'll never be able to get it lower than this again. All those moves I showed you guys, the last 10 that we called for Ethereum, those were called with the indicators, specifically the trend dashboard, the trend exhaustion and the price versus the well money flow. The trend dashboard is what we use to spy on all the retail traders. I'll share that with you guys in another video. Just keep watching YouTube. I'll show you guys how I do that. You guys at minimum want to get the price versus well money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. A few more dollars, and you guys are literally at the Black Friday sale, Cyber Monday sale, and you guys can have that. What you guys want to do is click here, and on the coupon code, you guys want to enter Black Friday. Okay, I know it's a Cyber Monday, but the code is Black Friday at checkout. You guys will literally see, here, let me just show this to you guys. Make this really simple. Click this link right here. Here's the bundle and save indicators. You guys will actually get this for a really screaming good deal. Put in Black Friday on the coupon code, put Black Friday at checkout, and you guys will get literally every single one of our indicators for 83% off. It is the best deal you guys will ever get. I promise you guys, you want to snag this because I'm going to up the price here, $50 in literally 48 hours here. So watch this. Make sure you guys are snagging this. Make sure you guys are getting into your buy limits with our membership over here, and you guys are taking these trades. Guys, we have never lost a trade, and I get this email a lot. Travis, I love your videos. You're clearly not losing trades. How do I trade? It is coming over here, set up your buy limits. Make sure you guys are following me in the Telegram channel. Again, once you guys set that up, it's right here. You guys can even come down here if you want. Click Telegram right here if you guys would like. You guys can come in here, click the Telegram channel, or click it right here. Join me there, set up your buy limits, and make sure you guys are getting the bundle pack of indicators. Set yourself up. I'm not going to change this going into 2022. We're going to use these same indicators going into next year because we haven't lost a trade. I'm not changing them up. I'm not breaking this win rate because it has been ridiculous how much money we're making over here. Even in a bear market, people are making money here. And we have traders doing $20,000+ simply just using our indicators in here, and it has been crazy. So I'll leave you guys with this. $1,700 this guy made in the last 10 days using the indicators. Finally, he's trading without fear and anxiousness, feeling safe. I love that. This guy did in the last 6 weeks, his account is up about 50%, and he's done 25 or 25 wins. That's so crazy. Even over here, $20,000 for the trend exhaustion. Again, I'm showing these guys again. Trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow. And my point being is this guy used it on stocks. You can use it on stocks, cryptocurrency, and Forex. All of these you guys can use it on. So don't miss out on this, guys. God bless you so much. Have an amazing, amazing week. Let's make some more money, guys. Set up the indicators, set up the membership. Everything will be going up in price here soon. And watch this channel and watch the Telegram channel because we're going to be getting into some new trades here, and we're going to be taking profit. And our win rate will most likely go to 85 wins here very soon. I'll see you guys later. God bless you. Everything you need is in the description. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.